Google has introduced its latest AI masterpiece, Gemini, marking a significant leap in artificial intelligence. This cutting-edge series has three distinct sizes: Gemini Ultra, Gemini Pro, and Gemini Nano. At the forefront stands Gemini Ultra, the pinnacle of power in the lineup, setting a new standard with a remarkable 90% achievement in the Massive Multitask Language Understanding benchmark, surpassing the prior high of 86.5% held by OpenAI's GPT-4. Scheduled for an early 2024 debut, Gemini Ultra will launch alongside Bard Advanced. Turning our attention to the other two models, Gemini Nano takes center stage for on-device tasks and is now seamlessly integrated into Google's latest flagship smartphone, the Pixel 8 Pro. Meanwhile, Gemini Pro has found its home within Bard, presenting users with an array of possibilities. Brace yourself for a game changer, as Google asserts that Gemini Ultra is much better than OpenAI's GPT-4 across a spectrum of tasks, from text handling and image processing to coding and reasoning. GPT-4 creates images using a different approach. It generates text prompts, which are then given to another deep learning model called DALL-E2. This model translates text descriptions into images. On the other hand, Gemini is designed to be natively multimodal. This means that the core model can directly handle various types of inputs such as audio, images, video, and text. It is also capable of directly producing these types of outputs. Gemini Ultra is currently undergoing its final touches and subjecting itself to rigorous trust and safety checks, including a thorough red teaming process by external experts. The excitement doesn't stop there. Google has ambitious plans to weave Gemini models into a diverse array of products and services, spanning from internet search functionalities to advertising platforms. Starting December 13, developers will have the key to unlock Gemini Pro's potential through an API, unlocking a world of advanced AI capabilities. Android developers too get their chance to harness the innovation of a Gemini Nano for groundbreaking applications. Back in 2010, DeepMind started as an ambitious project by Demis Hassabis, Shane Legg, and Mustafa Soleiman. Google saw the potential and bought it for $400 million in 2014. Fast forward to April 2023, DeepMind teamed up with Google Brain, Google's AI research team, forming Google DeepMind, led by Demis Hassabis. But the journey had its bumps. A year after Google's purchase, DeepMind's founders wanted more control and negotiated with Google. In 2017, they even tried to break away, but it didn't work out. In 2020, the founders aimed to create a new way to control AI without it being all in one big company. But the plan wasn't practical for Google's parent company, Alphabet. Google and DeepMind achieved cool things in AI, like AlphaGo and AlphaFold. But in AI chatbots, they lagged behind competitors. In 2020, DeepMind made a chatbot called Gopher, but it didn't work well. It gave inaccurate responses, so they had to drop it. Before teaming up with Google Brain, DeepMind had a project called Godal, working on a chat GPT competitor. But they put that on hold to focus on developing Gemini. Over the past decade, Google and Google DeepMind have played pivotal roles in some of the most significant advancements in artificial intelligence. They brought us AlphaGo, a master of the intricate game Go, introduced the transformer architecture powering today's chatbots, and cracked the protein folding problem with AlphaFold. AlphaFold 1, introduced in 2018, made waves by leading the 13th critical assessment of structure prediction competition. It demonstrated remarkable accuracy, especially for challenging targets without existing template structures. In 2020, AlphaFold 2 continued this success, dominating research around the world. While hailed as astounding and transformational, AlphaFold 2 isn't flawless. Some researchers note accuracy shortcomings in about a third of its predictions, and it doesn't unveil the underlying mechanisms of protein folding. AlphaFold's impact extends to predicting structures of proteins related to SARS-CoV-2, the virus causing COVID-19. In the pandemic's early stages, AlphaFold accurately predicted crucial protein structures, including the SARS-CoV-2 spike protein. These predictions were validated against experimentally determined structures, contributing significantly to COVID-19 research. Google made waves with the introduction of its chatbot, Bard, in February 2023. However, the parent company, Alphabet, faced a setback as its stock price dropped when analysis deemed Bard inferior to rival offerings. In a subsequent move, Google released PALM2 in May. This cutting-edge technology was touted to redefine what was possible. Imagine a robot seamlessly deciphering images and text, responding to your queries with pinpoint accuracy and effortlessly reaching for objects like a pro. According to Jeff Dean, the trailblazer at Google AI, this achievement signified a giant leap forward in artificial intelligence. It was not just about creating machines, it was about crafting entities with a human-like understanding, ready to revolutionize our lives and redefine how we navigate daily tasks and professional frontiers. While Google has taken a measured approach in rolling out consumer AI products, its strategies have not gone unnoticed by its major competitor, Microsoft. Through a partnership with OpenAI, Microsoft enjoys privileged access to OpenAI's AI models. Microsoft's CEO, Satya Nadella, expressed optimism about using AI to challenge Google's dominance in Internet search. He anticipated a reaction from Google, stating, "I want people to know that we made them dance." As of August, analytics indicate that Google has maintained its search dominance, though a Microsoft executive contested this claim in an interview. The competition in AI continues to evolve, with tech giants vying for supremacy. When subjected to a battery of tests against a lineup of competing models, including OpenAI's GPT-4, Anthropic's Claude 2, Inflection 2, Meta's Llama 2, and xAI's Grok 1, the large language model consistently outshines its rivals. The assessments encompass a spectrum of challenges ranging from professional and academic multiple-choice questions to tasks involving Python coding. The model's performance sets it apart as a formidable force in the competitive landscape of language models. Generative AI is poised to lead us into a new era of heightened productivity, offering early glimpses of its potential to reshape the workforce and unlock substantial business value. This transformative technology is quietly permeating various facets of our daily lives, from the intricate systems fueling our smartphones to the autonomous features in our cars and tools retailers leverage to engage consumers. Despite its significant impact, generative AI has often operated in the background, seamlessly blending into our technological landscape. While notable events like DeepMind's AlphaGo triumph in 2016 briefly captured attention, the focus soon waned. However, beneath the surface, generative AI continues to evolve, holding the potential for profound changes that extend beyond specific achievements. Its transformative influence persists, shaping a future that goes beyond momentary victories. Demis Hassabis, known for the groundbreaking AlphaGo achievement, is steering Google towards a new milestone with the introduction of Gemini. According to Hassabis, Gemini represents a noteworthy advancement in AI, charting a fresh trajectory for the field. Described as multimodal, Gemini processes information in various forms: text, audio, images, and video, adopting a holistic approach inspired by human sensory perception. The initial version is accessible through Google's Bard chatbot, with the more robust Gemini Ultra slated for release next year, poised to surpass GPT-4 across multiple benchmarks. Unlocking the potential of Gemini, particularly Gemini Pro, involves a straightforward process. The integration of Gemini Pro into Google's chatbot, Bard, marks a significant enhancement in functionality. Unlike previous iterations of Bard, which may have been less accurate and precise in responding to user queries, the infusion of Gemini Pro is anticipated to elevate Bard's performance to a level comparable to ChatGPT. To begin, users can access the enhanced capabilities of Gemini Pro by engaging with Bard. Through natural conversation and inquiries, users can experience firsthand the improvements brought about by Gemini Pro. The goal is to provide users with a more accurate and correct interaction, addressing queries with heightened precision. Gemini Pro is focused on improving the accuracy and correctness of responses in Bard. As users interact with the chatbot, Gemini Pro enhances the user experience. Keep an eye out for updates as Gemini Pro evolves, making interactions in the bot chatbot more refined over time. Unlocking the potential of Gemini Nano on smartphones, particularly beyond the Pixel 8 Pro, is a journey that requires a bit of patience. Google has indeed confirmed that the Pixel 8 Pro is currently equipped to support Gemini Nano. However, for users on other Android smartphones eager to experience Gemini Nano's capabilities, it appears there might be a waiting period involved. While the Pixel 8 Pro enjoys immediate compatibility with Gemini Nano, the rollout to other Android smartphones may take some time. The integration process is likely to be gradual, with Google working to extend the reach of Gemini Nano to a broader range of Android devices. Stay tuned for updates as Google continues to expand the availability of Gemini Nano across the Android ecosystem. Typically, the effectiveness of deep learning models relies on boosting model complexity and volume of training data. As a result, there is a growing concern about how to achieve additional improvements given that we are nearing the limit of new training data for language models. However, the advent of multimodal models presents a breakthrough by providing vast new sources of training data, including images, audio, and videos. This expands the possibilities for enhancing model performance in ways that were previously constrained by the availability of textual data alone. What do you guys think of Gemini? Let us know your excitement in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Until next time.